Hi, this is Hui Xu from In Art of Music. In this video, I will discuss the E-flat harmonic minor scale. E-flat minor is relative minor of G-flat major. E-flat minor is inharmonic equivalent with D-sharp minor. Both keys share the same notes but named differently. E-flat minor key is more commonly used than D-sharp minor in the classical music area because it's more manageable key for brass and woodwind instruments. E-flat harmonic minor scale is based on E-flat with the pitches E-flat, F, G-flat, A-flat, B-flat, C-flat, and D. Its key signature has 6 flats, which are B-flat, E-flat, A-flat, D-flat, G-flat, and C-flat. As we know, in harmonic minor scale, the 7th degree is raised by a half step. The 7th note in E-flat minor scale is D-flat. When it's raised by a half step, it becomes to D natural. So this is the E-flat harmonic minor scale. One example composition I chose in E-flat minor is Rachmaninoff's Elegy, Opus 3, number 1. The key of E-flat minor evokes somber and darker feelings. We need to practice and understand the E-flat minor scale well so that we can use it in different pieces. The left-hand fingering for the E-flat harmonic minor scale is 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Every time when we arrive on E-flat, we use second finger. For right-hand fingering, every time when we arrive on E-flat, we use third finger. There's another option of fingering. Finger 2 can be used to play E-flat at the beginning and ending of the scale. You may see on the screen that I marked the notes with optional fingerings with blue. Another hint in the fingerings for E-flat harmonic minor scale, we use both hands' thumbs to play the note F and the note C-flat. Thumbs on F, thumbs on C-flat. And we use both hands' third fingers to play note A-flat. A-flat with third fingers. At first, I suggest you practice in a slow tempo with correct fingerings and independent fingers. Remember to stand up your fingers. By this I mean to lift up your fingers higher and use a curved finger position to create the clarity resulting in articulation. You will create a clean sound with no overlapping of notes. When comfortable, speed up the tempo. Practice in small sections. See if you can play one single octave quite fast. Now add a second octave with correct fingerings. Now add a third octave. Now play the entire ascending passage. After you're comfortable playing the 4-octave ascending passage, use the same method to practice descending passage. After practicing the parallel motion scale, do counter motion as well. Practicing every scale with counter motion will help you develop some basic hand independence and coordination. Now let me demonstrate the E-flat harmonic minor scale in counter motion. I hope this video is helpful for you to practice the E-flat harmonic minor scale. If you have any questions, you may leave comments for me. Please share with your friends if you like the video. I will see you next time.